Step 1. Turn off your Apple Watch. Step 2. Take off the Apple Watch band. Step 3. Use the Wipes No. 1 Wet to clean the screen. Step 4. Dry out the liquid on the screen with the Wipes No. 2 Dry. Step number 5. Use the dust absorber to absorb any dust on the screen. Step 6. Spray your finger with the solution. Step 7. Peel off the screen protector and then spray the solution on the screen protector surface. Step 8. Place the screen protector on the screen, and then align the screen protector correctly on the screen. Step 9. Wait 30 seconds. Step 10. Press hardly on the screen by your hand. Use the square card to squeeze out the water and bubble. Step 11. Use the microfiber cloth to dry out the liquid on the screen, and press the screen edge over and over again until the screen protector adheres well on the screen and screen edge. Step 12. Place your Apple Watch on the dry environment for 12 hours. Any bubbles will disappear automatically.